You're right guys, this is just a quick video to remind you about Makers Central 2019. It's happening on the 11th and 12th of May at the NEC in Birmingham. Now if you was there last year, you'll know what a great event it was. This year it's going to be even better. If you didn't make it to last year's event, I've got a video linked in the description of my little walk around on the day, and also linked in the description is Makers Central website. On the site you'll be able to see all the different exhibitors. There's a floor plan so you can get a lay of the land of what's going to be there, and also a list of all the YouTube makers that are going to be attending as well. There's a long list of people who's going to be there, and of course it's really the people that makes these events. It was great last year being able to stop and chat with all these people that you've interacted with online, and being able to put a name and a face to a commenter's name on YouTube. It was just amazing. I loved every second of it, and I can't wait for this year's event. I'm going to be there the entire weekend, and of course there's going to be lots going on, plenty to see and plenty to do. It's going to be a great weekend all round, and I can't wait to see you all there. If you see me, make sure you come and say hello. It'd be great to meet you all. Thank you all for watching guys, and hopefully I'll see you at Makers Central.